I came across this plot of land. Few things that really struck me. It had a lovely waterfront. That was what captivated me to this project. It was a dream home for myself and my wife. It's very much accessible from within the city. There were lots of good trees. Mangoes, there were jackfruits, coconuts. Actually, that also attracted me to this property. So I was keen on retaining all the trees. Tried to merge the building within these contexts. Hi, I am architect Sebastian. This is my house, Plumerias. It's a 6,000 square feet home that I have built for myself. To watch premium videos on the project and get more details on it, visit buildofy.com. The link is shown in the description below. We wanted to explore the views, but this house has to be very subtly placed in that landscape. So we actually devised this floating mass of roof form. It's like a pavilion on which the top mass is like floating, touching the tree canopies. It's a very linear property. And I have the water body over here. The length of the house was determined by the tamarind tree and the mango tree in the back. The tamarind tree over there and the large mango tree over there. So I actually came across this L-shaped plan. Into that L shape, I created a water body. So there are these three plumerias in the water body. The name Plumerias came from those three plants. You enter the house from there. Another small step that I've done is to create this nook. So when you enter the house, you enter through a narrow space and gradually it opens out. You have the living room there. So you climb up here, then moves on to the dining and the family rooms. So this is the family space of the house. This is also the finest area in the house. So we have the family room there. And the dining room is an extension of that space, and then from there we have this pantry. Pantry is connected to the kitchen over there. So we use the space when we gather and we have get together. Then we do some cooking over here also, and then it's easy. An important part of this house is this long perimeter window. This window itself is 20 meters. And I have planned it as a floor to ceiling window. And also I have tried to conceal both the upper and the lower portions of the window. The frames are hidden completely. And also the water body, which is like an extension of the space. It actually takes the water experience inside. Somebody comes in, has water body almost at his eye level. Feels like he is part of the main water body, main lake. gives an impression that the water is all around. Living room is at a lower level and the dining and the family areas are at an upper level. We are actually now sitting in the first floor of the house, but we call it the ground floor. By means of these gradual introduction of levels, we are trying to make a surprise. Make one feel like you are sitting in the ground floor, but when you come out to this space, you realize that you are actually in the first floor. You don't feel that you are climbing so high. I've also planned my staircase around these levels. So you climb up here, 5 steps, another 12 steps you climb to the next level. This stair with the split level is a crucial part of this design. So the stair kind of links the two parts of the house. The living room is a double height space and this kind of floats above the space. And I have deliberately widened the space to make it a more of an interactive space. We normally gather around this area to just chat and communicate, and it's a casually interactive space. This is one of the bedrooms.
Semester break. I'm here for the semester break. I'm leaving this Sunday. All I had in mind when we were building the house was I wanted a bed next to the window. And there's this little nook in the corner of the bed at a hand's reach away. It's like a hiding place for all the stuff that I love.
And this is our master bedroom. Because of the narrowness of the property, I had to devise this narrow passage. Suddenly, the big view comes up. That's a deck that we have created. Again, the deck has a lot of cross ventilation.
We've been staying in this house for the past 1.5 years. The house is so peaceful for me. And it's so connected with nature. You don't feel alone at all.
This property falls right across my office. I own a small boat also to travel across, and it takes hardly 5 minutes, and it's a most rewarding experience of this project. Simple basic boat, but this is only a 20 HP engine. It's just a 20 HP engine. If you load more, then you can have more speed.